Hi guys, I hope all is well. So we have an O-level past paper question of the year 2019. The session is October-November. This is question number 5. We'll discuss Venn diagrams and probability. Let's start. So in front of us, we have a Venn diagram with three circles in it, A, B and C. And A consists of all the elements that are even numbers in the domain of 1 to 16. So let's write them down first. So I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. Okay. B consists of all the elements that are square numbers. So we start from 1, then the next is 4, then it's let's see 9 and then it's 16. C consists of all the elements that are factors of 100. So 1 is a factor. Okay. What else is a factor? 2 is a factor. 4 is a factor. 5 is a factor. And 10 is a factor. Okay. So now let's write down all the values inside this Venn diagram. A consists of all the even numbers. But first, let's identify the one that is common between all three circles, and I think that is 4. So we write 4 over here. Now let's look at A and B. So between A and B, the only number that is common is 16. Okay, so I write 16 over here. Then let's figure out the common numbers between A and C only. So factors of 100, I think there is a 2 over there, and then there is a 10 over there. Okay, and the numbers that are common between B and C are there's only one number, which is 1. Now let's fill in the rest of the numbers inside these circles. So for A, the only numbers that are left start from 6, and then it's 8, then it's 12, and then I think it's 14. Yeah, okay, there are 4 numbers in A. Now let's talk about B. So B only has 4 numbers in total. The only one that is left not written inside the circle is 9. So I write 9 over there. C has in total 5 numbers, but the only one that is not written inside C and it's not common between any other circles is 5. So I write 5 over there. But that doesn't cover all the numbers between 1 to 16. So let's talk about the numbers that are left. So one of the numbers that is not included inside these circles is 3, and the next one is 7. So I write them over here. The next one is 11, and then it's 13, and then it's 15. So there are 5 numbers that are outside these Venn diagrams. Okay. The next question says find the number of numbers for this A complement union B. Okay, A complement means everything outside A. So that means including B, including C, including all the numbers that are outside these circles, those. And then union B means all the numbers that are inside B. So if we count all the numbers that are outside A, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then B. Union B means all the numbers inside B. Now we've counted 1 and 9 already. So we look at 16 and we look at 4. So the total number of numbers for this question are 10. So we write 10 here. I hope this is visible. The next part says find the probability of, find the elements of A intersection C. Write down all the possible values of P. So the only numbers that are between A and C, that are intersecting between A and C, are 2, 4 and 10. So we write 2, 4 and 10 here. So we're done with the first page. Let's move on. The next part says Atik has a set of 16 cards numbered from 1 to 16. He takes a card from the set at random. Find the probability that the card shows an odd square number. Okay. He takes one card from a deck of 16 cards. The odd square numbers, there are only 2 of them inside a deck which has numbers ranging from 1 to 16. The first one is 1 or the second one is 9. So the probability of picking out 1 out of 16 is actually 1 out of 16. And the probability of picking out 9 out of 16 cards is also 1 out of 16. So we add these two probabilities because you can pick either one of them and you get 2 over 16. Oh, sorry, I wrote 18. 2 over 16. If I simplify this, I get 1 over 8, and that is your answer. Let's move on. Atik takes 2 cards at random from the set of 16 cards. Find the probability that both cards show even numbers that are factors of 100. Let's first write down factors of 100. So in a deck of 16 cards, the factors of 100 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10. Now let's identify the even numbers out of them. So it's this, this, and this. Now he's selecting 2 cards. The first card that he picks out, he has a probability of picking any one of these 3 cards out of 16. So we write 3 over 16 for the first pick. And then since he has already picked out a card, now he's picking the second one, and there are only 2 cards left out of 15. So you write 2 out of 15. And when you multiply this, 1 second. 3 out of 16 times 2 out of 15. The probability that you get is 1 over 40. The complete working of this question is present in the description below for you to download, and I hope this question made sense. If it did, hit the subscribe button, and thank you for watching.